this is our unboxing of the Popoman Power Drill. So first we have the really easy to understand instruction manual. It's really easy for beginners and it really helped us out a lot. And then next we have the bag, which is really nice because you're able to store everything in there really conveniently and it holds a lot. So we're able to carry everything all in there. It's great for storage and for when you have to go from work site to work site. Now, we have the 2 charging batteries, which is really, really strong and powerful. And we have the charging dock, which doesn't really take it long at all to charge, which is a super plus. Then we have our drill bits as well, and that is really helpful. I was not expecting to have the drill bits, so that is amazing. And then the drill itself works really, really well. As you can see, when we press the trigger, it's really easy. It comes with a flashlight that's activated with it. And then when you press the button for it, the trigger on it, it goes really fast, but it also has different modes. And I think that this is a wonderful drill for us. It was doing from work site to work site for work, and it was also putting up our curtains in our own home. And it worked really, really well. So I highly recommend this drill to anyone, someone who's looking to do projects or someone who's even looking to do construction work. It is a great drill.
Okay, as you can see, I just unpackaged my new drill. Pretty excited about this. Comes with 2 batteries. That's great in case you need a spare one. Comes with a charger. I'm going to go ahead and put the battery in the charger. Pretty good. It shows it's red, so it means it's charging. I don't know if you can see that. I just charged the other battery and it took about a half hour just as the instructions read. My old BLACK+DECKER used to take up to 3 to 4 hours. As you can see, I'm going to put the battery in this way. Slides on really easy, and I did that just with one hand. So excited about that. So it's pretty easy to use. I'm going to put the drill bit in here. It's pretty tight. All right. Actually, let me try a different drill bit because I'm going to have to do some work later on. There we go. Oh, as you can see, they give you quite a bit of drill bits and screwdrivers and everything along the lines of that. So you don't have to worry about having any pieces missing or anything like that. Let me see here. So, and as you can tell, a lot of torque. So no problems with this. It's great. It's 20 volts. Reverse flow, and it comes with this really nice bag that you can put everything in. Overall, very happy with it. Great price, well built, everything you need. Definitely a buy.